Hello, welcome back to Only Pistols. Today we're having a look at the FAS 606. This is a 177 single stroke pneumatic target air pistol. Quite rare, less than 1,000 produced in total. Produced about the late 80s to the early 90s, and let's start by having a look at some of the markings on it. So you've got the FAS logo, the model, and the caliber size and the serial number. I said these were quite rare. This is 782. I've never seen anything over 1,000. On the other side, made in Italy, and the catalogue number. So how do you operate it? Well, this one is actually a left-handed one, and I got it as a left-handed pistol, which means that the operating lever is correctly set up to be used if you're using it left-handed. I do have the left-handed grip with it, and I modelled the new grip on that. So how do you operate it? Well, it's a slightly odd design, free-floating barrel. To open it, push the operating lever down. That releases the top cover and the barrel. You then lift those up. And that's the point where you put the pellet in. So you actually put the pellet in there, into the end of the barrel, before you cock it. If you can lift this up a bit, you can then see the piston or the cylinder and the receiver action. So you lift the lever over. That's then drawn air into the cylinder. With the pellet already in the barrel, you then close the lever back over, keeping your fingers out of the way. And now you have the two-stage trigger to operate the pistol. Operates at about 400 feet per second, so pretty marginal as far as target shooting goes. Leaves a reasonable size, a reasonable mark in the target. Very good rear sights, and you can actually see they marked for elevation, windage, and also you can adjust the size of the rear sight gap. Foresight is an adjustable post. So you can adjust this vertically to help with the zeroing. You can operate it as you can set the trigger for dry fire training. To do that, you push down on the operating lever, which sets the trigger mechanism. Then just close the barrel again, and the trigger is now set. So you can dry fire train, which is pretty essential for any 10-meter shooting pistol. Lovely trigger, very smooth, lots of adjustment on it, so it can be set for pretty much either single let off or two-stage. I've got it set in two-stage, and you can also adjust the reach on the trigger as well. So there you have it. The FAS 606 air pistol.